I'm so excited. I'm gonna need my turn now. So
Get in here.
SoundMan, you got some work to do, dude.
I don't know where it went.
That'll do it.
We're gonna let her charge now.
What's up?
Think it might have rattled loose, maybe?
No, it's a switch.
Oh, gotcha,
Like this. It's a switch just
Okay.
like that. So
what you got in here, man?
there's 6 Platinum 18s. They are factories. I know. I'm gonna get a couple more demos.
Okay.
We're wired at half ohm per IA80, which is incremental audio.
Okay.
Those are 12K output boards.
Okay.
So overkill on the subs. The rest just a Pioneer head unit driven by two CES 320 also.
So what is all in there?
This is just a head
Okay.
unit. This is a factory or a custom. I forget. DeGuardo. I forget the name of these,
Okay.
but they're pretty dope.
Did you build everything?
I built everything as far as the build. Yes.
Okay. Is that a 6 order too? Isn't
It
it?
is a 6 order.
Ooh,
It's designed by Quad Industries with Joel Sparky Dam.
Okay. All right, good deal, man. I'd like to hear it. Kind of already have. Like coming in, actually.
Coming in
Yeah, I was like down there.
in the whole facility.
Nah, I was down there and I heard. I was like, where is that coming from? And then I seen all the hair blowing. I was like, okay, it's right there. Yeah, this thing is loud, man.
You good? Oh, okay. You scoot back there. fur.
Woo! Dude, that's hitting, man. I like that. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You get in?
I appreciate the demo, man. What you got back there, man?
I got those are 4 15-inch Skars EVXs,
Okay.
2 bass 15Ks, and 2 of the Terrence 800 by 4s.
Okay.
2 on.
You got the amps in the back?
Yeah, I'll show you.
All right, cool. It's loud. That's loud for a C-pillar, man. That is loud.
Now I'm talking low.
Done shook the trunk closed. That's good, man.
It'll open up the fifth.
Yeah, it's all good.
Got 2 off.
What is this right here? Oh, this is just
That's
the
just,
box.
just
Okay.
a battery delete.
Okay.
That one and that one over there.
Ooh, good deal, man. Appreciate the demo, man.